In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and edit a Google Doc in Canva. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be navigating through it like a pro. To begin, head over to your Canva dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to find and click on the Projects tab. This section acts like your personal workspace organizer, making it easier to manage your various design endeavors. Next, you're going to look for the Add New button and give it a click. This opens up the option for you to bring new content into your Canva workspace. Among the choices presented, you'll see Google Drive. Clicking on this will allow you to initiate the process of importing a Google Doc into Canva. At this point, a pop-up will appear, inviting you to connect your Google account with Canva. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so. While logging in, ensure you have your Google account credentials on hand. This authorization is crucial because it allows Canva to access your Google Drive files securely. Once connected, you'll be able to browse through your Google Drive. Simply scroll through to find the document you'd like to work with. Once you've decided on the file, select it and hit the Upload button to bring it into Canva. Keep in mind that if the file is large or the internet is a bit slow, the upload might take a little time, so a bit of patience here will go a long way. Now that your file is uploaded, it's time to click on Upload File within Canva. Congratulations! You've successfully imported your Google Doc, and it's time to start editing. This is where creativity meets function. Canva's robust set of tools allows you to adjust text sizes, colors, fonts, and add images or other design elements to your document. Take your time exploring Canva's features and consider experimenting with different design elements to create something truly unique. By the end of your editing, you'll have transformed your usual Google Doc into a visually appealing masterpiece. Whether it's for a school project, a presentation, or just something personal, using Canva can make your work stand out. Hopefully, this guide has made importing and editing a Google Doc in Canva a simple task. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you utilize these tools, the more proficient you'll become. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!